23 now, the Sixers have a go at this little bloke. Oh, what a...
Oh, it's 2-2. Magnificent strike.
Wow, look at that. Two googlies through the defences on both occasions.
Got him! 2 in 2 balls.
In here, it seems every delivery that he makes causes trouble. Jason Holder forward, and this one just turns straight through the gate.
Yeah. Straight through him. This man is pretty much the best in the business. Rashid Khan.
Well, so that's the ball he's trying to get you out with.
India everywhere is taking wickets. 1 wicket and 1 wide from the over. Beautifully bowled. Second wicket. Rashid Khan is on fire.
Waller. Look at this one. Pitching in, turning in the googly.
That's a big value from this man, Rashid Khan. It's the wrong on, doesn't pick it. Jamal Hamilton.
Remaining 4 overs.
And there it is. We've spoken about it at the masterclass, right?
I thought it was the leg spinner and tried to sort of manoeuvre it mid-off cover. It was the other one.
It's the wrong one.
Oh, he's chopped it off! Celebration time, Rashid Khan.
6 on the delivery before this, and this was another beautiful delivery. Just spun a little bit, the inside edge onto the middle stump.
For Rashid Khan, Rodman Powell on strike. Oh, he's got the hat-trick! Rashid Khan!
Well, it's very important to look and see what is happening before you get to the crease. Rodman Powell.
That's out. That must be out. Yes, absolutely stone dead in front.
Rashid Khan couldn't get a wicket. He plays back to a lot of deliveries.